G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. The Aldi Merino wool base layers. Now the company's name, before I get started, is an Aldi. It's Crane Performance and it's Australian Merino wool. Now I've been looking for a Merino wool base layer for a fair while, and even on sale they've been around 50 to 80 Australian dollars. And I don't have that spare at the moment. I walked into Aldi a couple of weeks ago and I saw the bottom half, the thermal leggings in merino wool, and then last week I went back in and they had the thermal top, same colour. So price wise, now like I said, between $50–80 normally on sale. I got the leggings just under $20, that's Australian, and the top I got for the same price, just under $20. Quality wise, it does feel really nice. It says 100% merino wool apart from the stitching. So putting the stitching aside, they say 100% merino wool. Now on the actual leggings, obviously the elastic band for the waist is not merino also. Now what they say about them, let's read this first. The machine washable. Machine washable merino ultra fine garment is the ultimate in luxury, which both looks and feels great. Now I'll skip most of that. They say wash at 40 degrees centigrade in a detergent with the Walmart logo on it. Separate from dark and light colours, do not tumble dry. And what else we got? Read something else. Yeah, on the other label it also says a gentle machine wash in a laundry bag using wool wash detergent. So in other words, not have it just flopping around, get an actual wool wash bag. Or if you want to cheat, put it in a pillowcase, tie a knot in the end, and then it's just going to be inside the bag and not getting caught on any of the agitators or in your wash machine. So move them out of the way. Size wise, what worked good for me, now I'm 5'6" tall. The bottoms I got in a medium, and weight wise I think I'm about the 83 kilograms at the moment. Bit of a tummy but small waist and hips. So medium fits. The actual men's thermal top I got in a large. Now it fits nice, comfortable. Sleeves are just about an inch, a little bit past my wrist, no problem there. And the reason I got a large is my actual shoulders and my back is quite broad. So if you were slimmer, you'd probably get away with a medium. But like I said, I'm 5'6". Apart from that little inch going past my wrist, the large fits real well. So that will give you an idea on your sizes and what size to buy for yourself. I tested them over the weekend. Now it was a fairly cold morning here. I think it was down to about 7 degrees Celsius or centigrade, whatever it is. So I got my hiking pants on, walked around, got acclimatised. Then I decided to throw these on, and I had my walking shirt on too. So I decided to throw these on, the top and bottom, and walked around for about half an hour. I did not feel cold, felt fairly comfortable, and it was quite nice. Half an hour after wearing these, I went and took them off, hiking pants back on, hiking top on, and I could feel the cold. So warmth wise, just off that quick and easy test, they did keep me a lot warmer than without. So don't know if they're warmer than any other brand or anything else, but they did keep me warmer and I could feel the warmth. You know, you got some things you put on, you feel cold, and then you'll put a base layer on and it'll get you to a point where you don't feel cold but you don't feel warm. These went past that. They actually made me feel warm. So to me, that's a thumbs up, that's a plus. Comfort wise, very comfortable. I didn't notice I was wearing them as I was walking around doing what I had to do around the house, sitting at the computer. Yeah, they were comfortable. The feel of it on your skin, it's that feeling where if you think about it, you can tell you're wearing it, but if you don't think about it and get on, you can't actually feel like you're wearing it. It's just like that. It's not super thick and it's not crazy thin. If you lift it up, you can just see through it. Give it a pull, you can see the light through it. But it's surprisingly comfortable. Now I will do an update on these after using them, I don't know, for 6, 12, 18 months. But first impressions and the first time wearing them, I'm happy with them and I am looking forward, and I think I'll go as far as I would trust them out there. I don't mind feeling a little bit cold if they don't work, but I would trust them out now. Probably go down to the 0 underneath my clothes and help keep me warm. So I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Just a quick rundown, give you a quick idea. Like I said, tops fit well. This one's got the round collar on it, full length sleeves, fits the body well. Yeah. So if you've enjoyed the video and you're not a subscriber, please go down below, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell next to it and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos, and then hit the like button, the thumbs up. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much. Won't be needing the boxes now.